Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to add a product to your WooCommerce page. Currently I'm on the products page for all my products. I already have one here. This is the Western t-shirt, and I'm going to add a new one. So you're going to want to click Add New under Products. And then we're going to add media. We're going to add the picture of the product that we're going to be putting on WooCommerce, which I already have here. You're going to click Insert into Products. You can add alt text, you can add a caption, you can add a description, but I'm not going to do any of that right now. So we're just going to insert it. We're going to call this Western Kentucky long sleeve t-shirt. I'm going to put University here as well. Alright. So there's a bunch of other options around here. You can add tags, you can add visibility, and you can add a product image. You're going to want to, this is a mistake I made, you're going to want to put up the same picture that you put for the media that I just put down. Because when you go into, if you don't do that and you go into your WooCommerce page, the picture won't show up. It'll just be a blank picture. So, and then down here you can add options for regular price. I'm just going to put $15, and then sale price I'll do 12.5. I did that for my other product as well. Inventory options, SKU, which is like a unique identifier for your product. It's optional. You don't have to do it, so I'm not going to do it right now. Stock status, obviously. And also you can add an option to enable this to only be, you can enable this to only allow one of this item to be bought in a single order. So in other words, people can't buy multiple of these at the same time. Shipping, you can add weight, shipping information like weight and dimensions, shipping class. I did that for my other product, but I won't do it right now. What else we got here? Advanced. I think that just about does it for me. So I'm just going to hit publish. And you get a message up here saying product published, view product. So I'm going to go to my my store page here. And as you can see here, this is the original product I had up here, and this is the new one that I added just now. Thank you for watching.